station hasn't changed at all. The old clock still runs slow. This was where you held my hand the night you let me go. Every year the last train comes at the very same old time. I told myself I'd ride once more, just to leave the past behind. Then the door slid open wide, and there you were alone. A face I knew a lifetime ago, a heart I'd once called home. You smiled like nothing happened, like time had stood still. But silence spoke much louder than words ever will. I carried one last question for all these missing years. Why did you disappear without a single goodbye? Did you ever think about me on those lonely nights? I waited through the seasons, believing love was true, but every train kept leaving without bringing back you. You looked outside the window, then quietly said to me, I thought leaving would hurt you less than watching me become someone I couldn't be. I closed my eyes and whispered, you should have let me choose. The train reached the final station. I reached inside my coat and placed a wedding invitation gently into your hands. I'm not here to ask you to come back. I'm here to say goodbye. The man I'm marrying loves me the way I once prayed you would. But before I could love him, I had to thank the man who first taught me how to love. This is our last train together, not our last memory. Some loves are never meant forever, but they become who we're meant to be. As I stepped into tomorrow, I left yesterday behind. Some goodbyes don't break your heart, they finally set it free. The doors closed, the train moved on. I never looked back, because for the first time I wasn't leaving someone